Hi parents, this is Coach John here from Learning Out of the Box, and today we are going to talk about repeated identity, and it's also a very common problem type that many people will see all the way from primary 3 to primary 6. And again, the method for repeated identity has to change when you go up to the upper primary, which means that most people will be solving it using the model method. However, when your child learns the ratio method in P5, make sure that he change the model method to the ratio method. All right, so let me just use this example to show you what it really means. Yeah. Okay, so make sure that everything is okay. Okay. Okay, give me a minute just to make sure that I am able to take on any question when it comes to learning this repeated identity. Yeah. Okay, so let me share screen and then you spend some time to look through this question. Okay. Okay. Here goes. Anthony had twice the number of marbles as Ben. Caroline had 3 times as many marbles as what Anthony and Ben had altogether. She had 168 more marbles than Ben. How many marbles did the 3 of them have altogether? Okay, so when it comes to such question, probably many children may not know that this is in fact repeated identity. Yeah, so what we can do is always highlight keywords, because by highlighting the keywords, it will help you to process the question and then will also help you to better identify the problem sum type. Okay, so Anthony had twice, so quickly write down 2 times, or you can write down 2 over 1, later I'll tell you why, as Ben. Okay, so this is also a technique that I get my students to do, is to circle 2 and link to the name on the left side, and circle 1 and link to the name on the right side. And again, because you know that you're going to use this, you can just quickly write down A is to B, and that's 2 is to 1. Okay, next, changing to another color. Caroline had 3 times, so I'll just write down 3 over 1 as what Anthony and Ben had altogether. So quickly right now, C is to A, B, yeah? Because this is A, B, altogether means A, B. You can write down A plus B, A and B, doesn't matter, as long as you know it's A, B altogether. Then quickly circle 3 to Caroline and 1 to AB. So we have 3 is to 1. Okay, so right now, if you have done many questions, you should know, yeah, that this is repeated identity, or you should be able to somehow have a sense, hey, something is repeating here, and the names are repeating. So can you see that you can see AB and here is A and B? So your next step is naturally to do this. Okay, so it's 2 plus 1 is 3. Now, for repeated identity, you want to find the final ratio to use that to solve. So you circle A and B because you have to make them the same. And you ask yourself, what is the common multiple of 3 and 1? Is 3. So you keep this as it is, but you times 3 here, yeah, times 3 here. So it's 9 is to 3. So if you want to really write down the final ratio, A, B, C, then maybe you want to write down total, So we have, okay, we have 2, 1. So we have 2, 1 as well. So let me just write down 2 is to 1. Then C is, you have to use the final number, right? So here is 9. And total is 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 9 is 12. Okay. Now, there's something called elimination, which means that you want to make those numbers and information that you have already used invisible. Yeah, so this is gone, and now only left 168. And you know that you have to use some numbers to solve the question. So Caroline and Ben, all right, so she had, so Caroline and Ben, so total you have 8 units, as in the difference is 8 units, which is 168, and 1 U is actually 21. All right, so again, remember I was telling you in the previous question that you need to teach your child how to recognize North Star. Okay, it seems like I have a star here, so recognize your Northern Star. Okay, so after that, you want to ask yourself, so where can I put the question mark, which is all together. So that's the question mark. So this is your question mark, and your last step, which is your answer, is actually 12 units, and that's 12 times 21, which is equals to 252. That's it. Okay, so this is a relatively short video with the emphasis that you need to recognize, or at least have a sense that there are names repeating. Yeah, so in this case it's A and B, and even though they didn't explicitly say that, they didn't put A, B again in sentence 1, but you need to be flexible enough that to add A, B together, so that you can actually match them. Okay, for simple repeated identity question would be like A compared to B, then B compared to C. This is the basic. So for this is adding like some combination like total. Yeah, so still the method of making the repeated name or the repeated identity is the same. All right. So let me just stop share and see whether you have any question. Okay, so same thing. If you want to keep a copy of this video, just click on share and then you'll be pasted on your wall. All right. So if you learned something, give me a yes so that I know that you have learned something new. Okay, in the meantime, I'll see you around and take care and bye.